Don't. Don't. Don't blame me because I'm drunk. Just keep them coming. But man, I need another shot. Like a gunman. Give me another shot. This is for my government. Ningbambe ngamagama njenge first and the second testament. I am out of this covenant. You have betrayed me, my government. Yes. Ngithe ningbambe ngamagama njenge first and the second testament. I am out of this covenant. You have betrayed me, my government. Ujama the lieutenant. I'm standing for the victim empowerment. I'm gonna drink to all my worries. If anything goes wrong, don't blame me but your government. Ngithembisa inkululeko nanginika amalungelo nathi angilinde siyazi sinxephezelo nempumelelo. Bengizonxephezela ngamathuba nginikwa intuba nakithi ikade eziko bezosuka. Bengangabazi ukuthi nakimi sekuyalunga. Ngilinde isinxephezelo sami ngithi bazobuya lutho ukubuya. Uthe sengibuza kwathiwa thula ukuze uphumelele funda. Nginikeza amabhasari, ama-allowance njengama-salary. Bengifunda ngakhathali nasebusuku ngasalali. But don't blame me because I'm drunk. You know, I completed. When I completed, I was excited. I was convinced that my future has just started. I graduated. But don't blame me because I'm drunk. You don't know. You don't know. The biggest disappointment of finding yourself in the queues of unemployment with a degree in your hand, you don't know. They say, welcome to the human resource management. Say, your CV and your qualifications are relevant, but I'm sorry we cannot hire you without 5 years experience in this job environment. You don't know. You don't know. Now, Barman, give me another shot. I'm thirsty. How long should I suffer because I'm already 30? This is for my society. My society, home of variety, source of anxiety. You know, playing the blame game with the government will never help you, my residents. You are the ones who voted for this president. Nobody forced you to believe what they said about bringing change and rearranging the settlement. Now let us just hold hands. Let us just hold hands and say, at least Dlamini, my government. Though we are still confused about what happened to the black economic empowerment. Ngibona amathenda benikezana bodwa bewaqeda mongenayo imali yokubheja noma i-makeup yokuzenza bekuthiwa linda kuyeza ulinde kuthiwa linda kuyeza ulinde kuthiwa linda kuyeza lize liphele ithemba. You know, bekunekhansela lona-ke belikhophozela licela ngowasendaweni ngangithemba ngizonimela laqoqa amavoti maqede lasithela sasimemeza sikhala ngey'celo zethu lasiflathela akasabonakala endaweni uthi usaba amasela senama-bodyguard uthi usaba umphakathi ufuna ukumhlasela abambonile bathi uthe labantu bafunani kimi ngoba ngiyasebenza ngibanikeza ama-overall ngathi abacosha amaphepha mina ngiphila namaphepha kanti unkabusha amaphepha. Bonomama bencelisa amabantwana belinda imali yeqolo amadoda beqoba imigwaqo kwagoba iqolo nakimi kwasangawa izolo ishabalele zonke ithembiso zayizolo njengamazolo. Now don't blame me because I'm drunk. You know, past is the past. Don't blame racism. You are still stuck in your own tribalism. Zulu, Xhosa, Tswana. I see no difference. We're all here in the same environment. Now, why don't we unite? Yes, unite. Instead of fighting and robbing each other every night, blacks on blacks, left and right. You know, I hate those manipulative rights. Now, South Africa, come on. Let's just make it right.